When we have our demolition contractor come out, he'll be removing the old garage that's so rotten. Also, part of the sunroom that's on the original house has to go because of an addition that we're building on this side. We'll have him take care of not only cutting all of this down, but digging up the roots on that and taking care of a few stumps for us. Wesley May is our demolition contractor, and he's tearing into this project with a vengeance. He and his backhoe are making quick work of those shrubs and bushes around the house that Tony suggested that we get rid of. Even the concrete walks are going. Anything that won't be part of the new plan is out of here. Wesley's crew includes his wife Nina, and she's taking down a massive stand of invasive bamboo behind the old garage to reclaim some of the backyard. Now, speaking of the garage, when Wesley turns his attention to it, things really start to get interesting. It's amazing to watch him patiently and methodically pick it apart piece by piece. The sunroom is even trickier because it is attached to the house, which we don't want to damage. So our guys begin by cutting the structure loose from the rest of the house. That way, when Wesley starts pulling on it, the remaining house is untouched. If a surgeon had to operate with a 20,000-pound backhoe, it would probably look a lot like this.